This video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at changing the currency on your Glory GFS200 series note counter. So it's dead easy to do. When the machine's on, you simply press the bottom left hand corner of your touchscreen, so where mine currently says GBP, and then it comes up with the currency options for your machine. Remember, these are high powered machines that are basically customized to your requirements, so your screen might have different options to mine. I'm in the UK. In England, I'm counting predominantly Bank of England notes, which in Glory's terminology is GBP, so that's why I've got that selected. On this machine I've got other options, so I've got mix, which basically counts all notes. So if I press mix, that would count all the notes that I've got set up on this machine. Auto is where it automatically recognises the currency denomination and face of the first note processed, and then counts them from that point onward. Pieces, PCS is piece count mode, so it does no note authentication, it just counts the number of notes going through. So you may not even use this setting for notes, you might use it for counting authorized vouchers or tokens. You've also got, I've got GBP as well on this machine. So in the UK we have quite a lot of different, although we all use sterling pounds, we have quite a lot of different issuing banks. So in England we have the Bank of England, but then legal tender is also Scottish notes, and I think the Scots have 3 issuing banks. So if you're counting only Scottish notes, you would go for SPS, which is the Scottish currency, and then we've also got Northern Ireland, which has multiple issuing banks, and if you count Northern Irish notes, then you want UKP selected, because that will count Bank of England, Scottish and Northern Irish all in one go. If you are in Northern Ireland and haven't ordered your machine yet, you can spec it to count just Northern Irish notes as well, but that's something that has to be programmed onto the machine by an engineer, so you're best off doing that before you order the machine. So it's really easy to use once you've selected your currency, so I'll be boring and select GBP. It appears in the bottom left hand corner, and then you place your notes in the top of the machine. You'll note I've not got the note guides fitted. I'd strongly recommend you do that because it just helps you feed the notes into the machine better. You put your notes in. All the ones for the currency you've selected appear in the bottom hopper, so all my Bank of England notes are down here. So it's told me I've counted 62 notes with a total value of £835. The 3 here and the red light means there's been 3 notes rejected, so we can have a look in the top hopper and see what the issue was with them. So we've got a euro, €5, a $1 bill and a 2,000 Hungarian forints. So yeah, it's kicked those out because I'm in GBP mode, obviously. You also get a breakdown by denomination as well, so you press the total and it comes up and shows you how many of each note you've counted, and then the total value, and depending on which version of the machine you've got, it'll also do serial number counting as well. So these are really advanced banknote counters. They're authenticating the notes, they're assessing the value of the notes as well, and giving you a lot of information. So this is just an introduction to the different currencies and how to choose them on the machine. So I've got a playlist on the GFS200 series, which is probably appearing on screen now, showing you loads of different features of the machine and how to access them, so I'd recommend checking that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.